What's up guys, and welcome back to GeekSourceHD. My name's Anthony and we're back with a new video for you guys. Here we have an unboxing of the Technica ATH M20x. Let's get into it. Alright guys, as I mentioned, welcome back. We have an unboxing of the Technica ATH M20x. Now, these headphones sit at the lower end of the spectrum when it comes to Technica M series headphones. They are used for primarily studio monitoring and track mixing. What I would primarily use them for is to edit my videos and make sure the sound is up to par. I don't want the sound to be too loud and I don't want the sound to be too low. So these are the headphones that I will be using to edit my videos. So let's get into this unboxing. So far so good. Okay, all right. So first we're greeted with some paperwork along with a 1/4 inch adapter for your audio cable. As you can see there, guys. Put that to the side. All right, then we have the actual headphones. All right, in the center, what we have here? We have, oh, the rest of the cable is actually in here. All right. So we have the headphone cable, and it looks like we have the headphones wrapped in this plastic wrap. Let me see if there's anything else in the box first before I unwrap these. All right, so we got nothing there. And there is nothing else in there. So that's pretty much it inside the box. So I'm gonna put the box to the side. To the side. All right, so the main event is this thing here. All right, so it looks like each ear cup is wrapped in some type of plastic. Right. So it's really, really nice. As you can see, I'll throw in some B-roll for you guys so you guys can actually take a closer look. Get some better shots of these. Technica. Oops, upside down. I don't know which way you guys are seeing it. All right. So the ear cushions are very, very soft. Very, very soft. And it looks like they are on-ear headphones. And it looks like they turn, I think they turn about 15 degrees. Let's see here. Okay, you can adjust if you have a larger size cranium. It adjusts on both sides. Really, really nice. It looks like they're really stretchable too, guys. Really, really nice headphones. The downside to these headphones is that the cable is not detachable. So as you can see here, it's really not detachable here, so if this gets a short, you will have to get a new set of headphones. Really, really nice headphones. Now, these I got off of Amazon for 49 bucks. I'll have a link in the description below. If you guys would like to buy these headphones, please use that link. It helps me a lot. And I thank you for that. But 49 bucks, and you can use them for studio monitoring and track mixing. I wouldn't recommend these for DJing or anything like that. They have the ATH M30, 40, and 50X that are more tailored towards the DJing and then personal listening outside. But yeah, really, really nice. Extra long cable. I will be using them to edit my YouTube videos. And what I hear people saying about them is that you could wear them for a large amount of hours and they wouldn't cause any issues on your head as far as these headphones go. All right, guys, so I want to give you a brief demonstration on how these headphones actually work when plugged into like something like an iPhone or your smartphone. All right, so here I have the iPhone 10, all right, and I'm just going to give you a brief demonstration of how they sound off your head and see if there's any sound leaks when it's on your head. So first test is just going to be the sound quality coming from the speakers, those 40mm drivers in the headphone cups, and let me know what you think down in the comments. So this is the test with them not on my head. All right, so they sound pretty loud. So let me see how they sound with them actually on my head and see if there's any sound leaks. And you guys let me know down in the comments what you think and how bad the sound leak is. All right, so I have a big cranium, so you know. Okay, so this is the left side, right side. Woo! I am very surprised. Very, very surprised. The sound is quite pleasing, actually. Wow. Really, really surprised. The bass is not as punchy, of course, as something like the Beats wireless or any type of Beats headphones. But these are not made for that. These are made for, like I said, studio monitoring and track mixing. So guys, let me know what you guys think down in the comments. All right, guys, so there you have it, a general unboxing of the Audio Technica ATH M20x. As I mentioned, these are on sale for 49 bucks on Amazon. It's actually an Amazon choice item right now. So if you would like to purchase this item, please use the link below. It helps me a great deal. As I mentioned, these are not headphones that are designed to be worn like on your commute and things like that. They are used for studio monitoring and track mixing. So if you would like to use them for other things, let me know down in the comments below what you guys think, and if it is suitable to be used for your like daily commute and things like that. They are an on-ear design, as I mentioned, and they provide a slight noise isolation feature when pressed up against your ears naturally. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for future content. And I thank you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.